Next, I'd like to talk about clear antecedents, but I think you might not know what an antecedent is, so let me give you some examples. An antecedent is just the thing something refers back to. For example, Jeremy always eats a banana for his breakfast. It's true. In that one, we have his, and it refers back to Jeremy. Jeremy is the antecedent. Mike remembered the day when he broke his leg. In that one, the antecedent of when is day, and the antecedent of he and his is Mike. An antecedent can be more than one word, like Kevin was driving too fast in the snowstorm. That caused an accident. For that one, that refers to driving too fast in the snowstorm. I think you get the idea. Here's the point to remember. Your reader shouldn't have to guess what the antecedent is. For example, Mike and Kevin didn't go because he was tired. That's confusing. Who was tired? Mike or Kevin? It will forever be a mystery. Let's say you're the IT guy in your office. Here's something you might get from your boss. The website has been loading slowly, and I'm not sure we shouldn't just redesign the whole thing. Another problem is the social media plugin, which doesn't seem to work well at all on mobile browsers. Could you make this a priority and fix it today? What do you think this and it refer to? If I were guessing, I'd say the boss wants you to make improving the site a priority and fix the social media plugin today. But we don't know, right? If I were the IT guy, I would ask, just to make sure. That's wasted time and poor communication. In your writing, make sure your reader doesn't need to ask you what you're talking about.